Hi everybody, hello again. It is 12:58 and 12 seconds on May 22nd. This is the main drawing for Golden Age Action Comics 115. Over here are the 18 filled spots. As explained, type in mini. Oh, excuse me, that's your main spot, that's why. Lisa Atanis won the mini, so she automatically got assigned spots 6, 10, 11, and 14, the first four available that were still open. James Lepore came in second, so he automatically got assigned 16 and 17. But here are the 18 filled spots. Let's do our 3 dice. The number is 13. So I'm going to randomize 13 times. Name at the top of the list gets the book. It's going to go out in tomorrow's mail, May 23rd. Good luck, everybody. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, and here's lucky 13. John Necrasau, congratulations. Time is 12:59 and 32 seconds.